up, guys? This is HD Gamers here, and I'll be showing you guys a glitch on Mob of the Dead Survival. To do this glitch, you're gonna need 2 or more players, otherwise it won't work. So, you should get your split screen in there, and you will be really good with this. So, what you gotta do is get ready for this part. Watch closely, because this is the most tricky and frustrating part people have. You gotta hold that grenade, blow yourself up. If you do have issues with getting yourself down, then I suggest you don't. You don't do it, but if you're just glitcher, like me, do it. So then you bring your afterlife, your teammate will revive you from the side. You bring your afterlife guy to the purgatory room, and then right as he's just about to revive you, jump up, and it should slip you just like I am. Now this glitch you can get out of, but sometimes you are in a permanent spot in it. They cannot hit you sometimes in the later rounds, but you shouldn't go down unless you're moving around and you leave yourself there. You shouldn't have any problems. And you can pick up perks in this glitch sometimes, sometimes not. It depends. Now your buddies can sit in the back; they won't get hit or anything. So yeah, just like that, I showed you guys. So yeah, guys, hope you enjoyed this video, and until next time, keep gaming and peace, you guys.